Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to use Snapseed healing tool. Here are the steps to use the healing tool. First, launch the Snapseed app on your mobile device. Import your photo. Tap the plus or open button. Select the photo you want to edit by tapping on it. Go to Tools. At the bottom of the screen, tap Tools to open the editing options. Select the Healing tool. From the Tools menu, tap Healing, a bandage icon. Zoom into the area. Use two fingers to zoom in on the part of the photo you want to fix for better precision. Use your fingers to start the draw. Adjust brush size. Snapseed automatically sets the brush size. You can zoom more for smaller spots or zoom out for bigger areas instead of changing the brush. Tap or drag over the spot. Tap once to remove small blemishes, dust, or unnecessary details. Drag your finger across a larger object you want to erase. Check the result. Snapseed will replace the selected spot with surrounding pixels. If it looks odd, tap Undo, arrow icon in the bottom panel, and try it again. Switch between zoom and healing. Pinch the zoom in or out again if needed. Then continue using the healing tool. Compare before and after. Now zoom out to see the entire picture. Then press and hold the eye icon in the top right to see the original photo for comparison. Apply the changes. Once satisfied, tap the check mark at the bottom right. Save the edited photo. Tap Export. Choose Save. Save a copy, or Export to keep your healed photo. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.